Hey there, Vanagon addicts. This is Ken Wilford here at Vanagon, coming to you live and direct from Belize. We're down here working on a 1989 Wolfsburg edition Vanagon. Today we're going to be replacing the headlights bulbs with some new super LED versions that we have brought down here with us. I want to show you how weak the original ones are before we get started, so you can kind of have a comparison. Alright, so you can kind of see these are the original brightness of these. And at night around here in Belize, you can't see anything. It's very horrible. So I'm going to go ahead and swap them out with the LEDs. We're going to be coordinates so you guys can see what we're doing. Let me turn it off real quick. Alright, so you're going to get started by removing your upper grill. Just do that. These little slotted screws give them a half turn. I have like what they call Zeus fasteners here. They use them in the aircraft industry for lots of stuff. Okay, bam. That is off. Okay, now you need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove these screws here to get the headlight housings off. There's 4 of these, one in each corner. You just want to pay attention because the inner ones usually are bigger than the outer ones, and so you want to mix them up. Strip the heads, holes out and stuff. While we're doing this, I mean, you'll want to make sure, check your adjusters, make sure they look good. It's a great time to place your headlight adjusters when you're doing this job. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take these screws and put them in my pocket so I don't lose them. Okay, now, this is your headlight. I've got 2 plugs right here, this one and this one. Unplug. Okay, now you're going to see this is your what they call 9004 bulb. This is what they sold in the US if you have DOT regulation headlights, which 99% of everybody does. Okay, this is what this bulb looks like. And you know, they're pretty weak. That's one of the problems. Plus, if you have any electrical issues in the van, it can make them kind of have a yellow light versus having like a bright white light. Okay, let me grab the LED bulb. Alright, so this is our new LED bulb we're putting in here. It should just slide right in here. You can kind of see they have this metal cap on the end, so you just want to make sure that's tight because apparently this glass thing is like actually replaceable. And you're going to see it has, you know, these 3 little indentations in here, 2 little dots. You just want them to line up when you go to stick it back in there. Alright, so we got it back in there. Let's see here. The only problem I had heard was this retaining piece. We're going to have to cut it to get it on this for like final install. But for now, let me go ahead and do that. So we got that in there. This is basically this pigtail. It's got some kind of like box with some capacitors and thingy things in here. And then it's got your plug to plug in. So let's go ahead and I'm going to fix this retainer. Let's stop and we'll do that. And